Remove the two joystick accessories at the bottom of the remote control and install them respectively in the places shown in the video.
Unfold the drone.
Unfold the rear arms, then the front arms. Install the battery into the drone after it's fully charged. Please push the battery to the end. Press and hold the bottom of the battery to remove it. Store the photos or videos. Insert the TF card into the slot as shown above before turning on the drone. The drone supports TF card up to 64 gigabytes. Turn on the drone first, then place it on a level surface with the head forward. All of the LEDs on the drone blink. Turn on the controller and the controller will long beep once. At this time, the green LEDs on the front arms of the drone will go from blinking to solid, and the red LEDs on the rear arms will keep blinking, indicating that the controller and the drone is now paired. The drone will start to search for GPS satellites automatically. The search will last for about 30 seconds. When the controllers sound D, and the controller screen shows that the satellite connections reaches 7 or more, and the LEDs on the rear arms of the drone will go from blinking to solid red, which means the drone has found enough GPS satellites and ready for taking off. Short press the button on the controller. The controller beeps once and the motors begin to rotate. The drone is unlocked. After unlocking the motors, short press the takeoff button. The drone will ascend to an altitude of 5 feet. You can now use the controller to fly the drone. During the flight, press the button again. The drone will slowly descend to the ground. If the GPS signal is weak, or if you intend to fly this drone indoors, long press the GPS switch to exit GPS mode. The drone is ready for unlocking and takeoff when the drone front light turns green and the backlight flashes red slowly. At this time, the drone is ready for unlocking and takeoff now. Make sure the drone is on a flat surface. Then push both the right and left joysticks simultaneously to the bottom left corner, and there is a beep from the controller. All LEDs on the drone flash quickly. It indicated that the drone can start compass calibration. Keep the drone parallel to the floor and spin it about 3 times. Once the controller beeps once and the red LEDs on the rear arms will go from blinking to solid, you can proceed to the next step. Point the head of the drone upward and spin the drone about 3 times. Once the controller beeps, and wait a couple of seconds for the LEDs on the front arms of the drone to turn from blinking to solid, and the red LEDs on the rear arm will turn blinking. It indicated that you have successfully performed a compass calibration. If the drone has found enough GPS satellites, the LEDs on the rear arms will turn solid red. You can adjust the angle of the camera with one button on the top right corner of the controller. Press the down button and the camera tilts down. Press the up button and the camera tilts up. Forward, push up the right joystick. Backward, pull down the right joystick. Fly to the left, push the right joystick to the left. Fly to the right, push the right joystick to the right. Ascend, push up the left joystick. Descend, pull down the left joystick. Turn left, push the left joystick to the left. Turn right, push the left joystick to the right. This drone comes with 2 speed levels, low and high. By default, the drone is set at low speed level. Short press the speed switch button and the controller will beep twice. Indicate it is at high speed level. Press it again and the controller will beep once low speed. Long press the headless mode button on the controller. The LED lights of the drone will start flashing, indicating that the headless mode is activated. We recommend the pilot stay facing the same direction, that the drone's head faces at takeoff. By doing so, it is ensured that when the pilot pushes the right joystick forward or backward, the drone will fly forward or backward toward him or her. If the pilot moves the right joystick left or right, the drone will move left or right relative to the pilot. Long press the headless mode again to exit headless mode. After the controller is successfully connected to the drone, wait for the icon to turn green automatically. Press down the left joystick to activate the orbit flight function. The drone will record its current position when this function is activated as the circle center. It then flies away from it to the set radius distance and begins to circle clockwise default radius, 15 feet. Pull down the right joystick to reduce the radius. Push up the right joystick to increase the radius. Push the right joystick to left or right to change the direction. Press down the left joystick again to turn off orbit flight. Ensure the drone's flight range is within 16 to 98 feet. After the controller is successfully connected to the drone, wait for the icon to turn green automatically. Press down the right joystick to enter the Follow Me function. The drone will now follow the phone's coordinates. Press down the right joystick or push the right joystick in any direction to exit Follow Me mode. Please install the propellers in correspondence with Propeller A and Propeller B as shown above. Every propeller has indicated alphabet A and B. Loosen the screw to remove the propeller. Fit the spare propeller into the drone. Tighten the screw. If the propellers is incorrectly installed, the drone will fail to take off. Please always use the USB cables provided to charge the battery. The red indicator lights up while charging. The green light will turn on when the charge is complete. Full charge time is about 150 minutes. Please always use the USB cables provided to charge the controller battery. The red indicator lights up while charging. The red light will turn off when the charge is complete. Full charge time is about 120 minutes.